Welcome to our full guide on how to fix error code 19,000 in Starcitizen. Today, we'll walk you through every step you need to take to get back into the game. Error code 19,000 can be frustrating. Let's dive into what it means and what could cause it. There are several possible causes for error code 19,000, from server issues to corrupted game files. Understanding these can help in troubleshooting. Let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps you can try before diving deeper. One effective method is to verify your game files through the launcher. This can fix any corrupted data. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus may block the game. Ensure that Starcitizen is whitelisted in these settings. A stable internet connection is crucial. Check your speed and connectivity to avoid further issues. Ensure that your graphics drivers and system software are up to date. This can significantly improve game performance. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the game. Here's how to do that safely. Sometimes, the community has the best solutions. Check forums for insights based on player experiences. To wrap things up, by following these tips, you can minimize the chances of encountering error code 19,000 in the future. Happy gaming!